Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kiosk India. The product in front of you today is a 22-inch touchscreen kiosk with a 10-point multi-touch capacitive screen and a Dell PC, a Dell branded PC. Let me show you. This is the touchscreen. So when the kiosk is not in use, the background video automatically starts playing. So if I click on this screen, it will come out from that background screensaver. Okay, so this is the color of this kiosk is RAL 7035, which is light gray, a very light gray color, very close to white, and with a textured finish. You can see the texture of the finish, very smooth and very nice and very long lasting especially. This is the branding for the customer which we have done. To tell you about other features of the kiosk, let us first check out the enclosure. So in the enclosure, this is a tray for keeping a keyboard mouse, wireless or wired keyboard mouse. You can put it here. And touchscreen already has an on-screen keyboard. See, this is the on-screen keyboard on touchscreen. So if you have not connected any keyboard mouse, that is also fine. It depends on your usage. If you want to type in very long text, something like an essay or a form, a very long form where a lot of text is required, you can use a keyboard mouse. Otherwise, for normal use cases, you can use this on-screen keyboard in anywhere. Suppose I open the browser, I click here, then you can use the on-screen keyboard so to type anything which you want to. Alright, so that is for the on-screen keyboard. Other than that, if you check out the specs of the kiosk, it comes with an Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB RAM, and touch support with 10 touch points and all the latest drivers, touchscreen, audio, LAN, everything updated. It features a long-range Wi-Fi, which can see these all Wi-Fi. Some of these Wi-Fi networks are more than 15 meters away from this kiosk, so it still detects them. You can connect to both 2.5G and 5 gigahertz wireless networks. So that's and the audio. It comes with inbuilt audio, which I'll just launch a video and show you again. Say we launch this. So this is the audio quality. So it comes with inbuilt audio speakers, and the audio comes from the slots on the side and the back of the kiosk.
Almost 1/5 of the world's aluminum products.
So that's about the audio. And if you will check the storage, this comes with a 128 GB SSD and a 1 TB hard disk inbuilt. So this is the C drive which is loaded on the SSD, and 1 TB hard disk is there for storage of your files and everything. And it comes preloaded with a lot of open source software like OpenOffice or PDF Reader or Google Chrome, antivirus, WinRAR, and VLC Media Player, etc. So it's like that. Okay, now to check further about the hardware specifications, you can see on the side of the kiosk there is a slot. So this is the Dell CPU, Dell 7050. There's a USB. So this is the Dell PC, and you can directly connect your USB drives here. You don't need to open anything. You connect your audio, external audio, or your microphone, headphone over here, and you can switch on or switch off the computer directly from here, this panel. And this is an extra protection for CPU. If for example you are not using the CPU or you want to keep it away, you don't want somebody to access the CPU, then you can keep this cover, or you can remove it also, or you can temporarily loosen the screw and you can directly access this panel. And this cover on the back side of the CPU, this cover on the back side of the CPU is for keeping UPS. You can keep large CPUs, you can keep even a large gaming PC. There's enough space for a gaming PC, a UPS, and you can even keep 2 CPUs if that is your requirement. So it is quite sufficient to put CPUs and UPS. And this is the power panel, and in the power panel you can connect the LAN cable directly from here externally. Just connect the LAN cable here, and this is a power on off switch, and external power cable 3 meter in length. And the wheels which come with this kiosk are with brakes. If for example you want the kiosk to be fixed in a stationary place, then you can just pull it down like this, and then the kiosk will now not move. You cannot move it, but if you unbrake, then you can easily move the kiosk anywhere. A single person can just pull the kiosk and take it anywhere. The kiosk is very slim in design and comes with a lot of features, easily portable and durable, long lasting. The touchscreen comes with an inbuilt 4 mm toughened glass, so even if you knock here, nothing will happen. It's very hard to damage this. So in normal use case, there is no chance of any kind of damage. So thank you for watching this video, and do like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you.